Count to five.
Some souls have learned everything from invisible guides, known only to themselves. The ancient sages taught that for each individual soul, or perhaps for a number of souls with the same nature and affinity, there is a being of the spiritual world who throughout their existence adopts a special solitude and tenderness toward that soul or group of souls. It is he who initiates them into knowledge, protects, guides, defends, comforts them, brings them to the final victory, and it is the being who these sages called the perfect nature. And it is this friend, this defender, and protector who in religious language is called the angel, Abu Barakat.
Every day I just question